Good morning, students. Welcome back to Christ School e-learning class. Today, in this session, we'll start with our next chapter, chapter 9, our economic system. Students, please open out page number 70, chapter 9, our economic system. Here, students, in this picture, we'll see that how the journey of a rupee is done. Number one, the money that we had taken from the bank is utilized for the agriculture. Then the harvesting of it is done and is sell in the marketing yard. From marketing yard to the different shops. From there, our money is gone to bank. The profit margin is gone to bank. And again, the bank gives us loan. This is way the cycle of our the cycle of a rupee is maintained. The economic activities are mainly divided into three sectors. Students, the economic activities, they are mainly divided into three sectors. Let's get familiar about it. First, primary sector. Certain resources are obtained directly from the nature and are used by us. Example, food grains, fruits and vegetables. Certain resources are obtained directly from the nature. Example, food grains, fruits and vegetables. We obtain wood, medicinal plants, gum, etc. from forest. And milk, meat, bones and leather from animals. We get fish from water and minerals from beneath the earth's surface. In short, forest, agriculture, mining, animal husbandry, fisheries, etc. provide raw material. Students, just look here. Forest, agriculture, mining, animal husbandry, fisheries, and etc. It provides us raw material for food and industrially manufactured products or goods. Thus, these activities are categorized as the primary sector, the basic sector. So, these activities, they are categorized as the primary sector, the basic sector. Secondary sector. What is the secondary sector? It is also known as manufacturing sector. Certain primary products are such that it has to be processed into a finished product. Certain primary products are such that it has to be processed, turned into a finished product to be of any use to us. Such economic activity is called the activity of secondary sector. Example, manufacturing cotton textile. The production, the manufacturing of the cotton textile from the cotton, extracting oil from the cotton seeds, removing oil from the cotton seeds, making jaggery and sugar from sugarcane, making bricks from soil, etc. Small and large scale industries, manufacturing machines, means of transport, means of communication, electrical equipments, consumer goods, chemicals and dyes, clothes, defense equipments, etc. are a part of the secondary sector. These all things are the part of the secondary sector. That's why it is also known as the industrial sector. And so, it is also known as the industrial sector. Next one, service sector. It is also known as the tertiary sector. The meaning of tertiary sector means the third rank. The primary and the secondary sectors cannot function without this sector. Service sector, it cannot function without the help of the primary and the secondary sectors. The raw materials or finished products have to be transported to various manufacturing units. The raw materials and the finished products, it has to be transported to various manufacturing units or traders, for which various means of transportation and infrastructure. For the same, the different means of transportation and infrastructures such as airways, waterways, roadways, electricity and other fuel facilities, etc. become essential. It becomes an important part. To maintain the communication between manufacturing and trading units, telecommunication, letters, internet, etc. are essential. To sustain the entire network of production and distribution, education, health, banking, and insurance facilities are required. In the modern times, ATM, call center, software, designing, etc. have become very important services. Read the table given below. Think and write. Here students, here is the table. Example of economic activity. What will be the effect of the economic activity and what does it indicate? Here, our first point is, what if a farmer refuses to sell sugarcane to sugar mills? Students, just imagine, what if a farmer refuses to sell sugarcane to sugar mills? What will be the effect of it? Yeah, sugarcane will not reach the secondary sector. And what does it indicate? Economic activity of secondary sector is not possible without primary sector. Second, what if the textile mills in India decide to import cotton from other countries rather than purchasing it from the Indian farmers? Then what will happen to cotton farming? Primary sector will be affected. India should control its imports. Our economic activities will be affected. Next, a farmer buys tractor, pump set, electricity, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, etc. What if the price of pump set and chemical fertilizer increases? What will be the effect of it? The cost of production of primary sector goods will increase. What does it indicate? It indicates the products prepared at primary sector will be sold costlier to secondary sector. The products which are prepared at primary sector, it will be sold costlier, expensive to the secondary sector. Food is required by those working in the secondary, that is industrial or tertiary service sector. What if the transporters go on a strike and refuse to bring vegetables, milk, etc. from the village? What will be the effect of it? People will not get sufficient and timely supply of essential goods. What does it indicate? Raw materials will not reach primary and secondary sector industries. Production and sale of processed goods will stop. Yes, students, how do we account the value of goods and services of various sectors and also calculate the total production? Yeah, a farmer sells wheat at the rate of rupees 15 per kg to a flour mill. Student, a farmer sells wheat at the price of rupees 15 per kg to a flour mill. There it is turned into flour. There the wheat is turned into flour and sold to a biscuit making company for rupees 20 per kg. The wheat flour is sold to a biscuit making company for rupees 20 per kg. The biscuit making company mixes sugar, ghee and other things with the flour and makes 4 big packets of biscuits. It is sold in the market for rupees 80, means rupees 20 per packet. The biscuit is the end product which reaches the consumer. The biscuit is the finished product which reaches the consumers. Students, just go through this chapter and we'll continue with the further explanation in the next session. Thank you.